This content is brought to you by Blind Help Project, www.blindhelp.net, envisioning a brighter tomorrow through the lens of technology. Click the subscribe button and visit our website for more information.
Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your host Arslan Anwar and you're watching the Blind Help Project official YouTube channel. In our today's quick podcast, we are going to talk about Saathi AI. First of everything, we'll discuss what is Saathi. So Saathi is an application developed by a team SP to provide assistance to blind and visually impaired people by using their smartphones. So in the Saathi application, they introduced many features. Some of them are PDF reader, the OCR scanner, fun zone, etc. etc. And they recently introduced another amazing feature called Saathi AI. So in our today's video, we'll discuss what is Saathi AI and how it works. Without wasting more time, let's explore what is that feature. So my cell phone screen is displaying the Saathi application's interface. At the last, we have an option, a feature called Saathi AI.
Saathi AI button.
Here we go, Saathi AI. Double tap it.
Important.
Here is the dialogue. Let's read it.
Important. Info. You can copy messages by long pressing on them. Note. The current feature you are exploring is in its experimental phase. We appreciate your participation and welcome any feedback you may have as we work towards refining and enhancing this functionality.
Okay, so they said that you can copy the messages by long pressing on it, and this is the experimental feature and you can give them suggestions or feedback to improve it further. Swipe right.
Please don't show again unchecked checkbox.
Please don't show again. Checkbox is not checked. Check this box.
Checked.
Swipe right.
OK button.
OK button.
Saathi.
Yes, here we go. Here is displaying a chat box where you can type what you want to ask from AI. They have used OpenAI's technology, chat technology, which will work here. Let's see how it works.
Hey, I am Saathi, your virtual assistant powered by Team SP. How can I assist you today?
Yes, this is the introductory message or greeting message, something similar. And below this greeting, there is a text box.
Type your message 3 text box.
Type your message. Open this text box and start typing. Let me ask what you can do.
W-A-A-A-T-T space Y-Y-O-O-U space U-C-C-K-N space D-D-O-O question mark.
Yes. Send it.
Send button. Saathi is typing.
Saathi is typing.
Saathi reply to.
Yes, let's check.
I can help answer questions, provide information on a wide range of topics, assist with problem solving, offer advice, and engage in casual conversation. Feel free to ask me anything.
Whoa, that's interesting. So you can use this text box to get the information you would like to know about. So this was the Saathi AI. We hope that it will be beneficial for you in your daily life. This is your host signing out. We'll meet you in the next video. So till then, take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz Nasir.
Subscribe to our channel and keep visiting www.blindhelp.net for the latest software, articles, tutorials, and demonstrations. Participate in our discussion forum and interact with us via our social media outlets.